Hey there, lab technicians! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the latest innovations transforming our lab work. Do you ever find yourself drowning in endless plates of media that need pouring? It can be a tedious and time-consuming task, right? Well, I've got some game-changing news for you. Say goodbye to those long hours of manual labor. Today, I'm talking about the automated plate pouring unit, your new best friend in the lab. This piece of equipment is set to revolutionize the way you work. Let's dive right into it and explore how this incredible machine can make your life easier. The automated plate pouring unit is a revolutionary piece of equipment designed to dispense a predetermined amount of sterile medium into petri dishes. This ensures consistency and precision in every single plate. In today's fast-paced world of medical microbiology, the workload is ever increasing. The demand for accurate and efficient media preparation has never been higher. Reference laboratories need a rapid and efficient system for media preparation. Here's how it works. The automated plate pouring unit is designed to meet these demands head-on. Each petri dish is picked from a carousel that can hold up to 216 plates. This high capacity means fewer interruptions and more continuous operation. It's then transported by a studded belt between guide rails to a central position where the medium is dispensed. This precise movement ensures that each dish is perfectly positioned for filling. During this movement, one guide rail tilts the dish cover just enough to allow the media nozzle from the peristaltic pump to pass between the lid and the base. Clever, right? This innovative design minimizes the risk of contamination. Once the dish is filled with the preset volume of media, it's moved to the stacking unit. This automated process ensures that each dish receives the exact amount of medium required. At this stage, the petri dish lid is returned to its base. The precision of this step is crucial for maintaining sterility. While the lid is raised, the petri dish is enclosed within a protected space illuminated by UV light, significantly reducing contamination risk. This added layer of protection is essential for maintaining the integrity of your samples. The stacking station neatly stacks the petri dishes into columns, and the completed stack is pushed onto a stacking rail that can hold up to 6 columns. This organized system makes it easy to manage large volumes of plates. An LED indicator lights up when the rail is full, making it easy for you to manage. This visual cue ensures that you can keep the process running smoothly without constant monitoring. The entire process is touch-free, minimizing the risk of contamination. This is a huge advantage in maintaining a sterile environment. But that's not all. It also saves a tremendous amount of time and labor. Imagine the hours you can reclaim for more critical tasks. Imagine how much more you can accomplish without the repetitive task of hand-pouring plates. This automation allows you to focus on more complex and rewarding aspects of your work. Automated plate pouring units aren't just a luxury, they're becoming a necessity in modern laboratories. As the demand for efficiency and precision grows, so does the need for advanced equipment like this. They streamline your workflow, enhance precision, and ensure sterility. This combination of benefits makes them an invaluable addition to any lab. If you're looking to boost efficiency and maintain high standards of cleanliness, this is the equipment you need. It's an investment in the future of your lab. Stay sharp, stay efficient, and most importantly, stay sterile. These principles are the foundation of successful lab work. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow lab techs. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Until next time, keep those plates pouring perfectly. Remember, innovation is the key to progress in the lab.